If you love me, better you tell me now. Don't bother wait till later. When my gone, you was scatter roses. All of my friend them were pass and gone. The first time I remember singing was at my basic school graduation. It was like handshakes and hand claps, and everybody was so happy to hear me sing. Yeah, that was the first time I could remember singing. And from that, I've been singing. I've never stopped singing. I really love my family. Like, my dad, he is the most, I don't even know what to say. Words can't explain how he motivates me. When I was in high school, I always wanted to be a music teacher, but then I realized I loved performing. And I think that this platform, which is Digicel Rising Star, it will help me to build a career in the music.
Renae is singing, she has been singing from a very tender age. From the same primary school, a basic school right up to primary school, through to high school. But she keeps singing 24/7 round the clock in the house, all the bathroom, all hours at clock at night. Sometimes I have to say, Renae, you can't stop your eyes now, you know, see a night. Come go your bed, man, but she just keeps singing. But it's her passion, she have a passion for singing, and I love that.
Music is life. I eat, sleep, and breathe music. And when I sing, I feel comfortable within myself that I've done my best, and that's what makes me a star. Memories in my heart, and for those who are here right now, me I gotta tell us some love or no, love or no. Thank you.